Hello everyone, this is Amal Logano with 5-Star Painting here in Huntsville, Alabama. Guys, right now I want to talk to you about the prep work for exterior painting. Here, as you can see, we got our pressure washers getting ready to caulk and get this house painted. Now, one of the first things you want to do before painting an exterior house, you want to make sure it gets very well pressure washed. In other words, get all that pollen, all that dust out of the side, all the surface areas, for better paint adhesions. So we'll get started and I'll show you a couple of things that we have been doing. The house we're working on today has been pressure washed this morning, and we're getting ready to start getting everything caulked, sealed, and mashed for you guys. All right, so we'll show you, come follow us and we'll show you the rest. All right guys, so as you can see, we have right here along the edge of the shingles and the whole fascia side of this house, we got all these boards covering up, because that's all getting ready to get painted. So we don't want that overspray to get up on the shingles, so all that gets covered up. Please be careful on working and be safe working with ladders. This is one of the main causes of injuries. The ladders is very dangerous, but we got professionals and these guys know exactly what they're doing, so we put our trust on them. Now, thank you again for watching 5-Star Painting, Secrets of the Trade, and stay tuned for the next videos. We will be showing you guys step by step the process for exterior painting on our next videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.